Howdy, and welcome to BitPay FAQ. Today we'll be learning how to accept an in-person payment using our Bitcoin checkout app and the BitPay merchant dashboard. What you're going to want to do is use your tablet or iPad, or whatever you have. You're going to want to go to either the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your operating system. Then you're going to want to look up Bitcoin checkout, and you'll see our app, Bitcoin checkout, at the bottom. You're going to want to click search or enter, and then click on the Bitcoin checkout app, click install right here, click accept, and once it has been successfully installed, click open. You'll see this loading screen, and you click to get started right here, and then you enter a device name, something unique that will help you identify it. Click continue, and then you're going to enter the pairing code. And in order to get a pairing code, you're going to need to go to bitpay.com, log in, enter your email address and password, go to Payment Tools, go to Point of Sale app, and scroll down to Pairing Codes. Pairing codes will expire in 24 hours. That actually is a really important thing. You can't wait on this. Once you add a new pairing code, you need to add it immediately. You click to add a new pairing code, and then you're going to copy and paste that into your app. Pair and finish. And then you can just start accepting Bitcoin. There's the setting option right there. And right here you can, if you didn't see, you can add in the amount. Click down here, collect $5. And then you can ask the customer if they'd like to add a tip. They choose whatever they want. I chose $1 tip here. They're creating secure payment coins. And there you go. Here is the order. The customer is going to scan that with their wallet and pay for it. The $5 plus a $1 tip. And it's as simple as that. Check out our other videos to learn more about our products and services. And if this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. You can follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Also, if you can't find a video that helps you, please visit help.bitpay.com. Thanks for watching.